tonight's dinner will be Humba. Join me and I will show you how to make them. So here are our ingredients. I have 1 kilogram of pork belly, 2 cups of water, 1/3 cup of vinegar, and I'll be using this salted black beans, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of spices. I'll be boiling 2 eggs. I have my chicken broth cube, bay leaves, ground black pepper and sage. I won't be using salt. And this is our banana blossom. And of course, our garlic and onion. So let's get started. First step, we have to make sure that we're removing the oil from this fatty pork belly. So we'll be using this one, not the sauce. We have to throw this away. So this is the most intense part, the extracting of oil. So yeah, we have to let it be more brown, and then we'll remove half of the oil and we throw it away. Okay, here's our leftover oil. Next, we have to return this. For the meantime, we have to boil our eggs. Put our beans. Salt. Bay leaves. Vinegar, banana blossom, sugar, and our cubes. We'll cover it for a few minutes and we'll add our water. It's looking good, so we add our water. Cover. And about 30 minutes, then we can check again. Okay, now Our humba is ready.